Hi guys, I'm John Limon. Today's video lesson will tackle about definite integrals. So, definite integrals. Ang definite integral notation natin ay ito, which is the integral of function of x dx from a to b. Ito is yung ating integral symbol. Ang a natin ay ang ating lower limit integration. Ang b natin ay ang upper limit integration. And function of x is the integrand, the function being integrated, and dx indicates that the integration is with respect to x. So this is our example. The integration of x squared plus 2 dx from 0 to 4. Ang function natin ito ay ang x squared plus 2. Ang lower naman natin ay ang 0. Ang upper limit natin ay 4. So, we're finding the area under the curve y equals to x squared plus 2 from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. So, next, fundamental theorem of calculus. If function of x is an antiderivative of continuous function of x in the interval of a and b, then to evaluate a definite integral, we find the antiderivative of the function. Evaluate it at the upper limit and subtract the value of antiderivative at the lower limit. Emphasize that constant integration c cancels out when evaluating f function b and minus function a. So we don't need to include it for definite integrals. So i-evaluate na natin ang ating the integration of x squared plus 2 dx from 0 to 4. So we integrate x squared to x cubed over 3, and 2 is 2x from 0 to 4. So next is ang ating fundamental theorem of calculus. Function b minus function a. Isa-substitute lang natin ang ating lower limit and upper limit sa ating nakuha integration, which is the x cubed over 3 plus 2x. So magiging ano siya, ito 4 cube over 3 plus 2 times 4 minus 3 cube over 3 plus 2 times 0, and this equation becomes 88 over 3. Since this is 0, so it can be 0 na, and the answer is 88 over 3. This value represents the exact area under the curve y x squared plus 2 from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. So let's do the assessment. Malabo. Dito na lang. Ito. So ang susukutin na lang natin dito is ito 1, 2, and ito na lang 4. So let's answer the assessment number 1, which is the integral of 3x minus 1 dx from 1 to 3. So this is equal to 3x over 2 minus 1x from 1 to 3. So let's do our fundamental theorem of calculus. We substitute our limits. 3, 2, minus 33 over 2 minus 5 over 2. And we got 14. So this is the answer. So ito na ang ating assessment number 2, which is the integration of x cubed from 0 to 2. equals to 2 raised to 4, 16 divided by 4, 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So, this is our answer. So, ito naman ang ating assessment number 4. The integration of x squared plus 4 plus negative 3x squared minus 2 dx from 0 to 2. So, i-rewrite muna natin siya. Magiging integral of x squared minus 3x squared negative 2x squared or minus 2 plus 2 dx. So, magiging ganyan siya. So, kunin natin yung integral na ito. So, magiging negative 2x cubed over 3 plus 2x from 0 to 2. Tapos, so, substitute na natin. Magiging negative 2x 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 times 2 minus negative 2 0 cube plus 2 0. So this will become 0. Tapos ito yung negative 4 over 3. So ang ating answer is negative 4 over 3. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn about definite integrals. Thank you for watching.